For getting our Vishweshwaraya Museum and Science Show as well. Here, let's begin with the mission. Here, yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Good. What is magic? They call it right. But what is magic?
Science is magic.
Yeah.
Science is magic.
Science is magic. Magic is science. Okay, good. Then, okay, it is open question for all. What is magic? Is it fake? Okay, is it fake?
Truth.
Or trick?
It's a trick.
Good. Science is, this is experimental, right? It can be explained to everybody, right? Magic is just, in one word, illusion. Very good. Magic is just illusion, okay? Okay, I will do one show for you. If it is magic means you can all enjoy, okay? If it is science means I need explanation from you. Is it clear?
Yes.
No, just no.
Yes.
Yes or no? Definitely. Okay, if suddenly any guest come to Romans, what will you do? How will you welcome them? If suddenly is different, is anything
See, uncle.
visible on this plain board or drawing sheet? No. Is it plain? Something is there, right? Something is there, right? Okay. Is it plain? Is anything written? Written? No. Not visible that much, okay? Have you seen this before? What is this?
Spray.
Where you see? Power shop. Right? Then cleaning, garden areas, right? For spraying purpose. Here, this is magic lotion. I will spray over it. What you can see here. This
Someone know.
okay?
Secret Santa.
Yeah,
Welcome.
welcome to Science Show. Question is, it is magic or science?
It's science.
Why science?
There's some pain and all.
Okay, if it is science means, my first question is, why the letters are appeared in pink color? Why only particularly pink? Not blue, not orange, so many colors are there. Apart from pink.
Water mixing with some chemical.
Reaction, then. Okay, whatever. Okay, my second question is, keep observe here. Please observe. Why letters are vanishing here? Why the letters are evaporating or drying? Why it is drying? Temperature, room temperature only. Why it is reacting? Why particularly with air? Yeah. Any guess? Can I give something for you? Which reaction?
Oxidization.
Very good. Oxidation. Okay, very good. Then. Can I give a hint for you? You learned it in school days or college days. Yeah, titration. Have you heard titration experiment? Which is the basic indicator all those days? Yeah, phenolphthalein here. Yeah, who said phenolphthalein?
China rose.
Yeah, very good.
Yeah.
What is phenolphthalein? What it contains? Pink color. Okay, it's a very famous indicator. You all know.
It is colorless.
Colorless. Very
It is
good.
colorless.
Then, if it is phenolphthalein means why the letters are vanishing here? Why it is drying, getting drying? Yeah.
If it perfectly reacts with the acid, then it becomes.
Okay, good. Staying very good. Here I am using phenolphthalein indicator to writing this letter. Phenolphthalein is acid-base indicator. Okay. If it is acid means it won't react any color. If it is base means it will react to pink color. This is base. Which base particularly? So many bases there in our periodic table. Yeah. So why sodium? Actually, this is ammonium hydroxide. Why particularly ammonia means it is highly volatile in nature. It can be evaporated into the air relatively as easily in room temperature, like petrol, mercury. So that letters are gone. Is it clear? Science.
Okay.
Okay, you all know cooking, right? Cooking. Then voice. Cooking. Yeah. What is the basic essential part of cooking? Oil and heat. Okay.
Salt.
Water.
Salt.
Salt. Then gas. Okay. Oil.
Spices.
Spices. Knowledge. Okay. YouTube, Instagram, Facebook. Right? Nowadays, yeah, trending. Why are we mandatory for cooking? Okay. Someone said heat, right? Fire. Yeah. Can you create a fire without using matchsticks or lighter? Is it possible?
With stone.
Is it possible? Without using matchsticks or lighter. Okay, how? By rubbing of two stones. That is called ಫ್ರಿಕ್ಷನ್ ಘರ್ಷಣೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ. ಮತ್ತೆ
ಮಿರರ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಸನ್ಲೈಟ್.
ಹೌದು.
ಫ್ರಮ್ ಸನ್ಲೈಟ್ ಭೂತದ ಬಿಗ್ಗು
But question is night time. Through the moonlight we can't.
ಥ್ರೋ ಮೂವ್ಮೆಂಟ್
Then, yeah.
ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಿಸಿಟಿ
Any
ಐ ನೋ.
chemical reaction?
Potassium.
Potassium with the
Potassium with oxygen. Potassium.
no. Potassium permanganate is the glycerin, okay? We'll explain. Then now recent days, Drone Pratap here at Karnataka. Have you heard? Anyone know? Recent days, he did sodium metal in water. It's very dangerous, right? We'll get marks out. Okay. So now, then phosphorus with air will get toxic fumes. Apart from that, can you create a fire by using charcoal powder and diluted honey with water? Is it possible? I've seen somewhere in YouTube, any shows.
ನೋ
Okay, I have some quantity. Yeah? What is this?
ಚಾರ್ಕೋಲ್.
Charcoal powder, right? This is honey, jentuppa, diluted honey with water. Honey.
ಹನಿ ವಿತ್ ವಾಟರ್ ವಿಲ್ ಟ್ರೈ ಅಟ್ ಹೋಮ್ ಚಿಲ್.
Looking like transparent. This is original honey, okay? Original honey. Anybody wants means contact me. By using this,
ಸೈಡ್ ಬಿಸ್ನೆಸ್.
is it possible?
ಐ ಡೋಂಟ್
No, don't know, no idea.
ನೋ ಐಡಿಯಾ.
Not possible?
ವಿಲ್ ಟ್ರೈ ಇಟ್.
I will try it. For my safety. Okay, I just pour 2-3 drops honey. Why I am opening door means if anything will happen means I will just run. Okay.
ಫೈರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಿಟ್.
Okay, it's not reacting, yeah.
ಇಟ್ಸ್ ರಿಯಾಕ್ಟೆಡ್ ನೋ.
Fumes, right? Where is flame? Not possible, right? Not possible. I don't think so.
ಇಟ್ ವಿಲ್
Because I'm trying first time.
ಲೈಕ್
Where is flame? No, not possible.
ವಿಲ್ ಹ್ಯಾಪನ್.
Okay, good.
ಡನ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟೆಡ್
Not possible. Sorry. Right?
ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟೆಡ್ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ.
Not possible. By using charcoal. Which is it? Which is it? Yellow,
ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಗೋಲ್ಡನ್.
white, then okay.
ಬಿಟ್ವೀನ್ ದಟ್
Let it be transparent. Why not? Okay. I need 2 more primary colors, right? Red and blue. Question is, how can I change the color without opening these 2 cups?
ಹೀಟ್.
Heating. For heating, I don't have an instrument or equipment. It already failed. Then, how can I change the color? Any easy way, yeah? How? Okay. Shake it. Easy way. I'll go. Yeah. Some shake. Good.
ಚೇಂಜ್ ಇಟ್.
Blue color, right? One more color. Which is it?
ವಾವ್.
Red. Who said green here? So, ma'am, especially for you.
ಓ ನೈಸ್.
Keep observing. Yeah? Something it will happen. Just focus. Focus is better.
It will back to
Miracle it will happen.
step by step. It will go back. I think
What is this? Where is this?
it become red again.
That's what. Yeah. Magic stick. Okay. What it will do? You know. Magic. Then. What it will do? You know. It can be converted into human to animal. Any volunteer?
Ramesh.
Any volunteer?
Ramesh.
What to?
Ramesh. Go. You want to become an animal? Go.
Can I convert it to donkey or elephant?
Vikrant. Go.
What you want to become?
Animal ತೋರಿಸ್ತಾನದ animal.
Okay. Condition is there. If I once convert means I will not convert again. Boy.
That is better life. Ready. Vikrant. Yes.
How will you go tomorrow school?
With uniform.
How will you visit? It's very difficult.
We will find new uniform.
Why you want? No. Okay, don't worry. This is not a magic trick. Okay. If I clap means it will fall. Let's go. See. If clap is not something, clap along with me. Super, right?
Vibration.
Pressure?
Vibration.
Resonance.
Resonance. Something I did.
This is new word for me. I know only vibration.
Okay. Then vibration. Then.
This English medium.
Okay. Answer is in front of you.
All gives are English medium.
Both sides goes out. Okay. Don't think too much. Okay. Then can I volunteer? One boy and one girl. Yeah, please come. I'll give punishment.
Ramesh and Ramesh. Boy and girl.
Please. Why not? I'll give punishment.
Arvi, go Arvi.
Let's have some fun. Come. Ready? Ready? Just a task, okay? What you have to do means tear paper into 2 papers. Like this, okay? Easy.
Easy. 7 times is what was on that
But
type.
not like this. But not like this, okay? Easy? Easy?
Yes.
Easy? Difficult? You're all expert now. Paper tearing. Easy? Take. Show them. Oh, 1 minute. Show them. Before tearing. Wait.
Done already. Done.
I'll give punishment now. Okay. Wait. Don't do anything. I'll give another step. Okay? Show them. Before tearing, she did already. Okay? Apart from that, who will tear a paper into 2 papers? A boy or girl? Now.
Both.
Both.
They.
Nobody. Both can do easily, right? Paper tearing is easy, okay? Show them. All the best for you both, okay? Don't do anything. Yeah. Hold it like this. No cheating, okay? Yeah.
She's ready.
1, 2, 3, go.
Siri did perfect.
Good.
One.
Show them.
Siri did excellent job.
Girl, boy.
Done it.
What about him? You feel hungry? Lunch time now. Okay. Okay, please.
He's a designer. He's a plain designer.
Can I give one more chance to him?
Yeah.
Why not? She did 2 times. Why?
This time, no. Wait.
Now we can do right. Yeah. All the best. Good.
Good.
Otherwise,
Improved.
No. Okay. Please, why you are standing? Come. Why you are standing?
For opportunity.
Opportunity. Can I give papers? You tell? Yeah. He can do, right?
Yes.
Yeah. Of course.
Very good.
He did good? No. Please consider. I'll give punishment. Take a seat. 1 time, 100 times.
Sit with
Close
your
your
chair.
eyes. Close your eyes. Yeah. 1 time, 100 times. 1? 100. 100 only.
Man.
1 time is sufficient,
What?
right? Actually, this is 1 time punishment, this is 100 time punishment. Which one is better for him? 100.
One. 100. One is good. Nothing will happen. If it is multiple, nothing will happen. Multiple times nothing happen. ఏం కాదురా ఎక్కువ ఉంటే ఏం కాదు బ్యాలెన్స్గా కూర్చుంటుంది How are you feeling? Happy?
Some massage right. Thank you. Okay, good. I'll be welcome. Okay, coming to paper time, right? Why boys little bit nervous to paper, right? Why? Okay, is any difference between these 2 paper states? Observe properly.
Vertical.
Yeah. Arrangement of letters, how it is? Yeah. is horizontal. You can observe. This is vertical manner. Okay. This is horizontal paper. Vertical
Reverse
paper
step.
we can easily tell. Horizontal paper we can't. Right? What I learned to that boys. Okay. This is horizontal paper.
Cheating.
Yeah, cheating. Of course. I'm cheater. Vertical manner paper. Okay. Okay. Sorry. Here. Well, sorry. We can see a day-to-day life in thought and right. One side is easy, another side is quite difficult because of arrangement of cellulose. Yeah.
Too much, man.
Pressure.
Entire weight will be on one.
Here, pressure is equal to long area, right? Pressure equal to what is the formula? You know? Pressure equal to force by area. P equal to M by A. Here, pressure is particular.
Entry will
one
pass,
side.
man.
This means
You will get job here.
let's get some hurt. Not right.
Don't write home. Ramesh, don't write home.
Whatever all observed. When he came back, then along with the two different indicators, okay, like phenolphthalein, different indicators. Here for metal and blue, okay. If I shake means transparent to blue color, right? Glucose will convert to fructose. That is called oxidation. Here, observe one gap it is there, correct? It contains oxygen. While I am
Okay.
shaking, glucose will convert to fructose. That is called oxidation. Here also same. I am using indiocarbon as an indicator. If I shake partial, it means partial oxidation. Complete oxidation, it means it will change to green color. Okay. Now oxidation is part over. Glucose is converting to fructose. Okay. If I keep aside, arrested means fructose is convert to glucose again. Why? Fructose is highly unstable compound. That is called reduction, oxidation and reduction. The full process will be called isomerization process.
It's like a pipe which is having some liquid or something.
Why is our liquid particularly?
Solid.
Why liquid? Which liquid? You know? Something.
Father,
Answer is in front of you. Yes, sir. Marker. No.
Water.
Yeah. Sir, why is it liquid, sir? Particularly. Plastic will fall immediately, right? Why it taking time? Question is why it taking time?
ಅಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಕಾಣಿಸುತ್ತೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಕಾಣಿಸಲ್ಲ.
The weight distribution is going towards the other side.
Very good, sir. Excellent. Close to the answer. Okay, here inside some liquid it is
What?
there. Okay, that is engine oil. Why engine oil means it is high viscosity. Thickness ಅಂತ ಕರೆಯುತ್ತೆ ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ.
ಸರಿ
It has
ಇದು
a high
full ಗಾಳಿ.
viscosity and also
ನೋಡಿ.
high thickness, right? Engine oil. It
Go,
takes
go, go.
time. Here to
ಸರಿ
here
ಬರ್ತದೆ
for
ಮೇಲೆ.
traveling. Empty. Is it empty? Stick. Okay. Don't think.